Hello, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 10th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, with 4 stars. And we have a binary puzzle for you, and this one will be number 7248. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And now 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row, in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between the 1s comes no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And now double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And now I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve again without comparing. And and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and then we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.